So hi guys, today I will show you how to solve the issue in YouTube signing in. There is an issue you get while signing into YouTube, which I'll show you in just a second. Yeah. So after coming on the YouTube page, if you click on the sign in, then sometimes this error comes. There was an issue signing into YouTube. So many people are getting these issues and they wanted me to get a solution for that. So I found the solution. So now what you can do is, after coming on this page, you will directly head to the solution. Click on the three dots here, then click on more tools. After you click on more tools, here you see clear browsing data. Click on it. This is truly the solution for this. I am not doing anything else or just fooling you around to clear all your data. This is a necessity and I have tried this twice and YouTube sign-in has worked. So you need to click on clear data. So just a second, let it load and clear the data. Wait for it and just click on OK, got it. Then you can close this. Again click on three dots, more tools, clear browsing data. After coming here, you click on advanced and you can see all the, except for passwords and other sign-in data, click on all of the options and click on clear data. After that, the data will be cleared. Now you can close this. After this, you can just reload this option and you can close this and open YouTube once again. After doing this, you need to click on the three lines which are given beside. So if for many people the sign in doesn't appear once again, now for me, after doing the clear browsing data, my account has been signed in back. It's in front of you. You can just go back in the video and check the timings. I haven't taken any stops or any cuts, so it is totally a proof one. And yeah, I have got my account signed in. If for many people the account still is not signed in, you can click on the three dots. After that you can click on history. As you come in the history section, what you need to click is history type, and in that watch history, click on it and click on clear watch history. For my case, my sign-in attempt has occurred and I have completely signed in. So yeah, that's for the solution. Hope you liked it.